I'm Kevin. In this video, I will show you my project, a Go framework that I built it on top of Go Fiber framework. So yeah, this project started as a way for me to dive deeper into Go language. As a former PHP developer, I had to switch gears when I joined a new company that uses Go. So yeah, this framework is my way of learning and also exploring this language. So yeah, let's jump right in. This is the Refiber repository. Before we start the new Refiber application, first we need to install the installer first, or the CLI. To do that, we can open the the docs. I will put the link on the description below. Follow the instruction here to download the installer or the CLI. After you install the installer, you can just type Refiber new and your project name. For this video, I will use my app, and it will download the template. And after it's done, you can just follow the instruction here, cd my app, and then run npm install and npm run build to install the Node modules and also build the JavaScript. Okay, so we already done downloading and build the JavaScript. Now we can open the project. So for this, I will open the Visual Studio Code. Let me make it the font bigger. Okay, so on my left sidebar, as you can see, this is pretty similar with to the Laravel, if you know it, because I made it similar with to the Laravel. Refiber also implement or use or follow the MVC pattern. So we have controllers and models, and also the views here, resources and views. And the cool things about Refiber is it's comes with Inertia.js built in. So if you don't know, Inertia.js it's a powerful tool to make single page application without needing any separate API. So that means you can create a single page application without API. Pretty cool, right? Okay, now yeah, I will open the route first. Web routes in here. So in this codes, as you can see, I initiate the middleware and the controller, and then the routes here. Yeah, if you see the routes get and slash, or the the home page, it will trigger the index controller. And if we open the index controller, it will return web, inertia, render, page home, and then pass some data here, hello and world, like this. And yeah, if you open the okay, so maybe you don't know what home is. It's a home is the title file name of the React application. So you can open resources and JS and pages here. So this is the home page here. So page home, that's mean the file name of the home page. So yeah, we can just open the home page, and the home page is just like this. Wait, index, and we can open the home sx. This is the hello data that we send it to the home page. Data hello, and it will return, and it will render the the world here. So as you can see here, we send the props data directly to the home page from the controller. So no need to make any API here. We can just directly send the data to or pass the data to the our React application. And yeah, let me start the local server first. To run the Go, hot reload for the Go, we can just type air here. I think you have already installed it, right? Okay, now yeah, we can just open the local server here. Yes, this is the hello world, and the world it's from the the index controller in here. So what's next? Okay, so what if you want to change it? Yeah, you can change it. Hello Kevin, and we can refresh it. Hello Kevin. And what if you want to make some change on your React application? You can just like you change it. This is hello. We change it to add these characters. And what happened if we refresh it? Nothing changed because we need to build the React application, but we don't want to do it right every time you add some change to your React application. You need to rebuild it manually again. It's really bad. I mean, it's really not good. To do that, of course, we need to have some hot reload for the node application or for the React application. To do that, we can just run npm run build. Npm run dev, and then we can just refresh it. Yep. If we now change the our home page, this it will change automatically like this. Vertical, right? Now, yeah, this is the example of the pages that I made. Now, if we open the roads again, we have about page, and also we have profile page, but the profile page has a middleware web. So that's mean this middleware is to check if you already log in or not. If you haven't logged in, you will be redirected to the login page. So if you try to access the profile, yeah, you will redirect that, and you will be redirected to the login page. And if we see the roads here, we have the login and also the middleware. Yes, that's mean if you already log in, you cannot access this login page. And also we have post login and post logout. That's mean we can submit our form. So how do we handle form handling in Reiber? We can open the out here. This is the okay, so this is the login controller. It will render the login page, and then for the we can open the login page here. Now on the login page, we have two input here, and also the form here, and also we use form hook from Inertia.js. Now we can just send when we submit the data from post to the login post, and it will trigger the controller, out controller, and on out controller we have some validation here. So email field is required, and it should be email, and the password is also required, and minimum is 3. So this is the validation. We implemented it on the controller, not on the React application. So yeah, okay, we try it. Login, submit. Email must be a valid email address. Email.com, submit. Password is required. Okay, now we can just type 2 or yeah. 2 characters here because the minimum is 3. So what happened? Yep, password must be at least 3 characters in length. Now, so this what if we want to, make some manual errors here? We can do that with, error fields. I mean, we can make a variable to put our, error fields here, and then we can do some our logic here. This is I checking the email. If the email is not test@mail.com, we will add errors here. The field is email and the message is email not found, right? So the password should be secret, and if we try the secret and this is 2, so this is not a valid email, right? So email isn't found. Email is not found. Okay, now let's say the email is correct and the password is correct, and what happened is we, in real project we should, check the database or something, blah blah blah, and then we create the user model, and then we need to put the user model to start new session yeah, in here in this method, and then you will be redirected to the home page like this with flash message welcome, like this. Yeah, so yeah, that's right, because we try to open the profile page. In here we will be redirected to the profile page, not to the home page, because we try to log in and then we need to we need to log in first before we can open the profile page. So yep, we will redirect it to the profile page, not the home page, like this. Yep, yeah, just like that. Now if we try to open the login page, as you can see here, we have GS middleware here. So what happened is if user doesn't exist, doesn't exist, you will, it's not nil. I mean, if the user does exist, you will redirect back to the home page. So if we open the login page, you cannot open the page because you already logged in. Okay, now that's it for the the routing and how to make some changes on the application and React. Now what if we want to add a new page, right? We want to add a new page. So let's say we want to create a demo page, and here we can just create a new page on our React application, new demo.tsx. It's because we use TypeScript, and then we can just export default function demo page here, whatever you want to call it. I forgot, so it's not a function. Okay, I'll return div. Okay, to do. Now because we using layout, we want to add the layout also, so we can just copy this and yep. Okay, this is not the login but demo page, like this. We don't forget to import the layout component in here now. Okay, so this is our demo page here. We already made it. So now we need to create the controller. So I will not create a new controller, but I will use the index controller here and make new method here. We'll call it demo, and we will render, because we create a new file, a new page called demo. We need to call demo in here. Okay, now we need to register our route. So to do that, we can open the web routes, and yeah, can do this and open the demo, and we call the demo controller here, just like that. Okay, now we can access our page demo. Yep, just like that. So easy, I think. Okay, I think that's it for this demo video. If you find this project interesting and want to contribute, you can check out the GitHub repository link in the description below. So yeah, thanks everyone.